What's up YouTube, this is JR Kamba. Welcome to my newest channel, Live Healthy with JR Kamba. I especially made this YouTube channel for my fitness journey. Ayan nga, and as you can see, today is March 31, 2024 at naka 10,029 steps na ako. Ang target ko daily is 10,000. Yan, makikita nyo yung trend ng mga steps ko dyan. Yan, kahapon naka 5,386 lang ako. Tapos, nung Friday ay naka 126 steps at nung Thursday ay 7,719. So, ngayon ko lang na-hit yung target ko pero gagawin ko ng consistent to na minimum of 10,000 steps daily.